Hi, I'm here today to share with you the remarkable image database called ArtStore. Through this introduction, I hope to familiarize you with the ways in which this powerful database can aid your institution. The scope of ArtStore are from the arts, design, humanities, architecture, and social sciences fields, with 2.5 million entries of pedagogical and research images. We also pride ourselves on having images that are other than the popular source material, from a range of prehistoric times to present day. ArtStore is maintained by the people of Ithaca, which includes JSTOR, Ithaca SNR, and Portico. You can trust Ithaca as an organization which uses digital technologies to preserve records and advance teaching and research in sustainable ways. The target audience of ArtStore is you, teachers and students and professionals, all of who are seeking after materials from artists, museums, archives, and scholars. Leave it to ArtStore to make it easier for teachers, students, and professionals alike to find, retrieve, and share the wealth of our database. Let's take a look at arguably the most important aspect of database retrieval, the search process. ArtStore's advanced search offers Boolean limiters in a variety of fields, and a variety of pre-search fields, multifaceted queries, further limiters of the date. We can also search by geography, classification, and/or collection type. Let's run a trial search for you to see just how easy it is to use the ArtStore Advanced Search. Say we're doing a project on ukiyo-e prints of the Japanese early 19th century. We can do a simple search, which shows a result of 226 results for ukiyo-e from all collections across ArtStore. Let's try and run an advanced search to see. For the sake of the search, we see that there are ukiyo-es that are in folding screen form. Let's try and isolate them to not include them. We can use Boolean limiters in any field for a more accurate search. Let's use the not Boolean term and include screens. We've eliminated a few results from ukiyo-es not to include screens. As you can see, our results do not include screen formats of the ukiyo-e style. Let's further isolate our search and include ukiyo-e that have the subject of woman. We have 19 ukiyo-e prints with the subject of woman.